First of all, you have to go to Dubai to Istanbul and Istanbul to Argentina. Then you can easily arrive at Antarctica. Today my topic is the natural beauty of Antarctica. Antarctica is one of the coldest and largest continent in the world. It's situated by the bottom of the world. If you want to visit Antarctica, then you have to go. First of all, you have to go to Dubai to Istanbul and Istanbul to Argentina. Then you can easily arrive at Antarctica. Antarctica is a place there is no time zone. You can use your own time zone, like you can use American time zone or you can use Singapore time zone as your wish. If you want to visit Antarctica, then you have to face the roughest sea in the world, like you have to face Atlantic Sea, you have to face Pacific Sea, and other one is Southeast Sea in the world. Sometimes these waves high around 13 meters. It can be as high as around 40 meters also. After in the meantime, you can not walking this boat corridor or not balance your body. Around 8,000 of ships are dipped there because their weather is all time so cloudy and so high. Antarctica is very hardest, loneliest, emptiest, and highest continent in the world. There is no air allowed. There is no air allowed. Especially 55 countries are agreed there is no air allowed. Even you don't annoy penguins or seals, or you can don't touch any animals. So that's all about my topics at this moment. See you again about another topic. Thank you so much for your deep attention. Assalamu alaikum.